I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. We are working on a mystery quilt, and guess what? Today is your last day, block number 12. Yes, we are so excited. I am so proud of you. You have done the most amazing job on your blocks. Thank you so much for joining me in and sharing your beautiful pictures. We're almost there. Block number 12 is so fun, so simple. I absolutely love it. I chose two fabrics, one light and one blue. All the fabrics that I work with were from our Perfect Union collection. There's also a rainbow version of the quilt that I've been working on it from the linen texture collection. Go visit our blog for all the recipes, pictures, and all the other details that you need. Today, I'm going to show you how I made block number 12 for our beautiful quilt. I took my blue fabric and I cut a 9-inch square. Then I took my light fabric and I cut a 9-inch square. I placed them right sides together. I used one of the sheets from my triangle paper for 2-inch triangle paper. And this is the sheet. I pulled it right out of here. I'm gonna place it right on my fabric. I'm gonna pin it. Then I'm gonna stitch right on the lines. We've done this once before. I know you know how to do it. As soon as you finish stitching on all of the dotted lines, you're gonna cut it on straight lines. Don't forget to set your length on your stitches a little bit closer together so your needle breaks the paper really nice for you. I already prepared for you, so you're gonna be ready, set, go. And what I did is I got the triangles ready for you. So you've done this before. We peeled the paper away and now we have this cute little triangles that we're gonna be working with it. And the block looks just like this. Super simple, a little fan, just whirling around. Isn't that just the cutest? This is our block number 12. We're gonna grab the triangles and sew them to 2 rows. Row 1, just place them right sides together just like this, stitch it, flip it open. Then row 2, place them right side together, stitch it, flip it open. I have some prepared right here. Look at this. This is one and this is second one. Oh, look at this. And I'm gonna push my seam allowance in opposite direction on each of those because I want the seams to lock. So when I take this and place it right sides together just like this, I want to be able to put a pin right in the middle of this unit. I can still see the threads where I need to sew, and I'm gonna start sewing right here. As you approach this, make sure you lift the foot of your sewing machine, put it back down so this doesn't turn like this because I don't like when that happens, and stitch all the way. As soon as you finish stitching, look at this. Oh, look at this. As soon as you finish stitching, you're gonna go ahead, open up the center, beautiful, press it, and you have your block number 12. Don't forget to press beautifully and place your little square ruler and then trim it so you have a perfect 4.5 by 4.5 inch block. And you are gonna make few of those so you can go ahead and use them in your quilt. I am so excited for you. Now before you go, there's one more thing that I wanted to ask you before you leave. There is one more a task that I ask you to do it. To finish your quilt, you're gonna need some filler squares, and I chose 16 of this fabric, 16 of this fabric, and 20 of this beautiful fabric right here with the little bird. So make sure you cut those, and they are 4.5 inch by 4.5 inch. So all that I had to do is just cut a strip 4.5, place my ruler, section it up, and I need them to fill the remaining spaces to make our quilt just beautiful. Are you excited? Now I'm gonna meet you next time to tell you how to sew your quilt into the rows, then sew your rows together, and then we're gonna talk about quilting and finishing touches. But you're gonna have to give me a little bit time because I'm working on my quilt with you. So it's gonna take me a few days, and as soon as I'm done, we're gonna do a live show to show off this most amazing Mystery 2021. I can't wait to see your results. Happy quilting, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining me this year for our Mystery Quilt. Thank you so much.